Hello my dear friends, hope all are doing good. So today's topic is keyword research. So before going to this video, I would like to suggest, if you're watching this video for first time, if you haven't watched my previous video, so recommend to watch that video so that you'll be able to connect that video and this video. So in previous video we discussed digital marketing overview and 6 types of digital marketing. So out of 6, first one is search engine optimization, that is SEO. So if we do SEO project for our website or for client's website, first of all we should research keyword, best keywords to rank the website on the first page of Google search engine or any other search engine. So first activity should be, we should research good profitable keywords. So let's discuss about keyword research. My dear friends, if you haven't subscribed till now my channel Minch Technology, so please subscribe to my channel Minch Technology so that whenever I update the video you will get notification if you hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So what is search keyword? Search keyword is the word used by users to find her requirements on search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. So there are 9 types of keywords. Basically when you do SEO projects, just you need to understand all search terms or terminologies used related to search keyword, so that maybe if you're going for interview, before that I would like to tell you that whatever videos I will make related to digital marketing or search engine optimization, that video is going to be in detail, so that if you're preparing for or if you're planning to make career in digital marketing, I'll cover each and everything so that any question is not left. In case any question comes, you can ask in comment section, so that I'll try to answer those questions also. So let's start types of search keywords. So first one is short tail keyword, and the second one is long tail keyword, third fresh keyword, fourth evergreen keyword, fifth product defining keyword, sixth customer defining keywords, and seventh is geo-targeting keywords, eighth LSI keywords, and ninth is intent targeted keywords. So out of these 9, mostly you will hear short tail keywords, long tail keywords, and LSI keywords and geo-targeting keywords. But yes, it's good to know other type of keywords also. So let's discuss short tail keyword. So what it is? So search word which is word containing 3 or less than 3, that is called search short tail keyword. And these keywords, short tail keywords, are very, like if you check volume, you will find high volume for those, and they're a bit difficult to rank because these are very generic keywords, short word keywords. So generally you will find very high volume in short tail keywords, and these keywords are a bit difficult to rank. And the second type of keyword, that is long tail keyword. So the search keyword containing more than 3 words, that is come under long tail keywords. So usually these keywords are very useful whenever you go for SEO project. If you're going, if you're searching keywords for your website, so you should find good long tail keywords, because these keywords are less in volume. Volume will show very low, but these keywords are very profitable keywords. These keywords generally used for real users actually, and these keywords are easy to rank as well. And the next keyword, that is fresh keyword. So fresh keyword is a kind of occasional keywords Let's take an example. People try to purchase Christmas decorative items in generally in Christmas time, right? So those keywords are used only in Christmas time. So these type of keywords are called fresh keywords or short-term keywords. These are called fresh keywords. So next is evergreen keywords. So these keywords are generally mostly used keywords like anytime, like for example, for grocery item, if you're finding, so this type of like grocery is used all the time. So if you're searching any particular things or food items, shoes, clothing, so using related to these keywords are called evergreen because these products are used all the time. So these type of keywords are called evergreen keywords. And the next one is product defining keyword. So generally while doing SEO project, these keywords you'll never hear about it, but it's still good to have good to know the information. Product defining keywords are those keywords which are specially describe about the particular product only, like ABC brand laptop, etc. And customer defining keywords are search queries that recognize a particular subset of client or crowd. User uses words or phrases to characterize themselves. For example, best ladies watches. So, and the next is geo-targeted keywords. This is also very important. You will hear in while doing SEO projects. So search keyword which is targeted to a particular location. For example, best water filter in Dubai, best RO system in UAE, or like the keyword which contains the local area name. So that is called geo-targeted keyword. And LSI keyword. LSI stands for latent semantic indexing. LSI keywords means related keywords of main keyword. Related keywords of a main keyword, like what is the best car driving institute. Okay, so LSI keywords like what is the best car driving institute. So in this word, in this search keyword, driving institute is the main keyword, but if we add what is the best car driving institute, so this type of keywords are called LSI keywords. Okay, so last one is intent targeted keywords. So it's a kind of keyword which is which shows as user intent. So again, user intent under intent targeted keywords, there are three type of again subcategories like informational, commercial, and transactional. So under informational type of keywords means like best MI mobile. So it means if like customer intent is to find or to purchase a mobile, his intent is to find maybe he's planning to purchase mobile. So in intent target keywords, the first category is informational. So if he searches best MI mobile, it means maybe he's trying to get information like best, what is the best MI mobile. So this is called informational, intent targeted keywords, informational. And the second is commercial. So in this, if user searches best buy best MI mobile, so as per this keyword, user's intent is to buy best MI mobile. And the last one is transactional intent keyword. So if user searches best MI mobile sale and offers, so by looking at this keyword, it shows that he is planning to buy a best mobile. That is the reason he's trying to find best offers. So this is how it is defined. So after discussing about different types of keywords, let's understand search keyword volume. So search volume is the estimated average count of searches made in the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. So let's take a screenshot. Look at the screenshot. So one keyword is Kent water purifier. So it means Kent water purifier volume. It has a volume of 10,000 to 100,000 per month. It is average monthly volume. So it means people are searching like 10,000 to 100,000 people are searching by this keyword Kent water purifier or reverse osmosis system 1,000 to 10,000. So this is called volume. This is estimated. This is not the exact. So also let me tell you, I'll make dedicated video for this, like how to find out volume and all these things. I'll make dedicated a video also. But for now, just to understand like terms used, keyword volume. So for that only I'm showing the screenshot. And the type of keywords as per the difficulty level. So there is one more word used, keyword difficulty level. So what it is? Keyword difficulty level is calculated on the basis of search results shown in the search engine with a particular search keyword. There are 4 types of difficulty level in search keyword. So the first one is very easy. Second one is medium difficult. Sorry, second one is easy, and then third one is difficult or medium, and the last one is high, hard, and hard. So let me show you a screen. Let me show you in practical way that how and what is the best, what is the very easy keyword, what type of keywords are called difficult and medium, what type of keywords are called high and hard keywords. So let me show you my screen. Okay, so my dear friends, I was trying to explain a keyword difficulty level. So I was showing some number. So I showed you the number, for example, below 50. If it is a below 50 count, it is very easy. It means, like, let me take an example. I searched a keyword, how to find water filter price. So using this keyword, only few people are targeting this keyword. See, when I searched this keyword, it means how to find water filter price. There is only one website which is targeting using this keyword. So search volume means the number it is showing only one website which is targeting this keyword. So it means it is very easy to rank. If you rank with this keyword, it is very easy to rank. So this is what keyword difficulty level is. And the same way, if you find any let's take an example of water filter. Search water filter and see the number right now. See, result is showing this many number. It means it is very high. Difficulty level is very high, hard. So this is what I'm trying to explain. It means water filter is the keyword. There are so many, these many keywords. 259 0000 websites are targeting this keyword. So this is very difficult to rank. So this is how it is calculated. And one more thing, it does not mean search volume. It is not a search volume. It is showing that this many websites are targeting using this keyword. This is the meaning of this is the meaning. This is what I'm trying to explain to identify and to understand the keyword difficulty level. To understand keyword difficulty level, this is the way you have to search. So my dear friends, I showed you like how to identify whether it is very easy or medium difficult or hard. So the keyword which I searched for first time, that was the count was showing only 1. So that is very easy to rank if there is any keyword. But before that, you'll have to find volume also, whether that keyword has volume or not. So if it has good volume, you can try to rank that keyword, and that will be very easy to rank because there was only one website targeting that keyword. So similarly, I searched for water filter, that is very high. The count was greater than 250, so that is difficult to rank. But it does not mean you cannot rank that keyword. It will take time to rank that particular keyword. So my dear friends, today we discussed related words and what are the type of keywords and definition of keywords and all, and difficulty level of keywords. So these are the basic things to understand before going to the next one, that is keyword research. So before searching for good keywords, you should understand whether that keyword is good or not to rank to work for a particular website. So we understood how to find best keyword. Maybe that is going to be high, or difficulty level is medium or hard. That you have to decide whether how much time you can give to rank that keyword. So today we understood the difficulty levels also, and what are the types of keywords. So in next video I will show how to search best keyword using few tools, and also I will explain how to understand how profitable that keyword is and what is the volume of that keywords. So my dear friends, stay tuned with me. If you haven't subscribed my channel Means Technology, I would suggest please subscribe, so that I promise that whatever training is given in training institutes, that everything, each and everything you are going to get here for free. I'll cover each and everything related to digital marketing and search engine optimization. This is the first point. Out of 7 out of 6 type of digital marketing, search engine optimization is the one of the first point, and that is very very known and very popular point. So that's what that's what we are covering right now. So in next video we'll discuss about the how to find search keyword and how to understand the volume. So stay tuned with me. See you in the next video. Thank you, my dear friends.